Hey guys, this is a N-channel MOSFET, a 2N7000 MOSFET, which is one of the most popular N-channel MOSFETs on the market. In this video I'm just going to show how to connect it so that it can power on a load. So MOSFETs, just like most non-specialized transistors, have three LEDs: the drain, the gate, and the source. And the source just connects to ground. To the drain side, we connect positive voltage to the load, and then we connect the load to the drain. In this case, we're gonna have, it's a 6-volt buzzer, so anywhere from like 5 volts will power on the buzzer, but it's not on now because the transistor, the MOSFET, doesn't have power, enough voltage. It doesn't have any voltage going to its gate terminal. Positive voltage is needed for N-channel MOSFET in order for it to turn on, which right now has 0, so it's off. So if I turn it on so that it gets about 3 volts, the buzzer turns on. If I cut off the voltage to the gate, the buzzer shuts off. So a MOSFET just works by supplying positive voltage to the gate, and once that's done, then the load will be powered, connected to the drain. As long as there's enough voltage to power on the load that you connect to the drain, then it'll work. So again, and that's all. Thanks for watching.